I've actually put a bunch into this car so far, suspension wise. Some of it janky, eBay, which I wish I didn't get, like the coils that I got on it. Right now it's like the cheapest one. It's like $197 for them. Yeah, I went cheap. But just wanted something quick, just lower the car. The car was like 2 feet in the air, stock and everything. So I went ahead and installed those. I got what is it? Max speed rod, rear camber arms. Oh wow, that creeped slide today. Yeah, I did that. I got rear camber arms, front camber arms, eBay special. I do have let's see here. Be over here. I think I can. It's actually pretty windy out today. So bear with me if you can't hear me. I'm trying to shut the car off. I'll pop the hood for you guys. But yeah, I got front camber arms, rear camber arms. Got coilovers on here. They don't go as low as I want in the front due to the spindles, the knuckles. They have to get cut and welded like 2 inches shorter. But that's the only thing I really need to do to this car to get it to the fitment I want. The rears aren't that bad. I should run some spacers on the back just to fit up to the over fenders I got on. Well, they're not over fenders, but you'll see. Then I got aftermarket traction bar on here. I think that's it. Then I got what is that, like a EG front knuckles on here. EX. They're not really that different. They're thicker, but and wider for some reason. I think the EGs are wider than EFs, but that's what I've noticed. Because up front, I had like an inch gap to match up to the fender, and I put those on and they match up pretty well now, so help me with fitment. But it's still 2 inches too high for me up front. That's about it. Did all that. Actually, I got something else to show you guys too. Let's go over here. You guys did buy one of these. There are some other parts that you can use from other Civic, and like first thing, the bar right there. Both strut bars are from CRX 89. The front fit very nicely. Only thing you gotta do is unbolt the fuse box and move it a little bit. Bolts right on, no problem. The only issue I had was with the rear one. The rear one, it's where the plastics are, and the strut towers are a different angle, but if you bend the brackets for it to fit, it's not that bad, but you do have to trim the inside plastics for that. But yeah, I haven't done much to it besides suspension, stiffen up the chassis and stuff. I did do the G plus coolant lines and stuff on here. I had leaks everywhere after I did the head gasket on this. Yeah, weird. Shortly, like a month after I owned the car, the head gasket went very bad, so I had to pop that all off and everything. Did that, and in process broke like every coolant line in here because they're all original. That's not bad. I did install these. Yeah, I wish I actually sold an actual body kit for these, like over fenders for the doors and shit, but they don't. Didn't want to go this way, but it was like the easiest way, because it is my daily. If I had a second car, I probably did a custom fiberglass body kit on here, but it's not too bad. I did cut the quarter panels and stuff. They were pretty rusty. They were starting to get pretty rusty. Did cut that. Did hit them with primer and stuff and sealer. It's not bad. Oh, another thing I did on these. Oh, let's get down here. Did install these. Yep. The lower control arms with some dress-up bolts on them. Not bad. This is a RT4, so they did have like the slightly bent lower control arms, but these normal Civic ones, they do fit, and they do the job. Everything. I actually do have something else too. Let's see here, I'll pop the trunk. Let's see here. Oh, let's see. Do have the breathers welded onto the valve cover for the Y8 build that I got going on, the turbo build. Because I do have a second D16 Y8 that is torn apart at the moment. I do have the turbo manifold and everything for the turbo build. I just gotta pipe the bullet and just get the rods and pistons, just so I can put the engines together and not second guess myself, like, is it gonna blow up? It might. Since it's me putting it together. Everything. Got the bucket seats in here. They are on factory rails. I did just had to drill out 4 holes on the factory ones. They fit pretty good. Minus the, the harness bar. Actually, this is from a GTI Volkswagen. And it's not bad. Had some paint chips on it. I only paid like $40 for it. It came with everything. And fits pretty well. Then the suede medium power steering wheel. I should have bought another adapter piece because I don't like how short this is, and it shows all this shit. Kind of ugly, but I'm dealing with it. Not bad. Couple rips in the headliner. Really can't do anything about it until I pull it out. Do a whole new interior and stuff, like I'm thinking of. But that is the update. I don't really have much to do. If you do follow my social media for this channel, for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, I do have a page on there. If you check those out, you can keep looking up updates on every little thing I do to this thing, because it's kind of hard finding stuff for this car online. Like, we're just trying to look up like a quick thing to do and stuff, like the light bulbs in the dash. Those are actually pretty good. Actually pretty easy to do too. But it's not much about these, and I think that's why I grabbed one of these, because everyone drives Civics, the normal ones like EGs, EKs and stuff, and I wanted something different, and this is the different. And with the all-wheel drive and stuff on it, which honestly made me love it. But this is the 89 version, so it has barely anything in it. Like, I know the 91s have the rear speakers and stuff, which honestly I wouldn't mind having, because 2 speakers is not enough for me. But I might soon change all that when I do the engine swap. But thanks for coming in, checking out. This is gonna be like a real short video because I never have time to do anything. But thanks for watching and everything. Come back later. I might have another video coming in next week. Just come check in, subscribe, and have a nice week.